Are you tired of business bank accounts that promise free, but then hit you with a long list of fees for everything from wires to low balances? You're not alone. Many entrepreneurs have faced this frustrating reality. That's why today, we're taking a close look at Relay Bank's free business checking account to answer one simple question. Is it really, truly free? Relay markets itself as a no-fee online banking platform specifically for small businesses. They claim no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. And for the most part, that holds true. You get a lot of core features for a price of $0 a month. You can open up to 20 individual checking accounts, which is a game changer for anyone who follows a cash flow strategy like Profit First, or just wants to keep their taxes and payroll separate. Plus, you can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards for your team, with the ability to set spending limits. But like with any financial product, the free part has some fine print. While the basic account is free, there are fees for certain services. For example, while incoming wire transfers are free, domestic outgoing wires cost $8. There are also fees for same-day ACH transfers and international wires. So, if your business relies on these more advanced features, you might find yourself paying a bit. There are also a few things to keep in mind. Relay is a financial technology company, not a traditional bank, so it operates without physical branches. For businesses that handle a lot of cash, this can be a drawback. You can deposit cash at all point ATMs, but that might not be convenient for everyone. So, is Relay Bank's free checking really free? The short answer is yes, for a basic user with standard banking needs. The core account truly has no monthly maintenance fees, no minimums, and no overdraft charges. However, if you need premium services like same-day transfers or international wires, you'll pay a fee for those. It's a great option for the digital-first business owner looking for a simple, powerful, and, in most cases, genuinely free banking solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.